Hey there, and welcome back to Northlight Photographic Workshops. It's a beautiful night here, and I brought you over here to Sunset. I'm up here in the dunes, just outside of Cross Village, and it's one of my favorite places to come watch it. This time of the year, it's just straight out ahead of me here. And anyway, thought it'd be a good time to catch you up on what's been going on, and not only that, but to catch myself up on what's been going on. It's been a crazy year so far. I started off with January 5th out in Las Vegas, and then I think a month after that I was out in Utah, or actually I forgot all about Venice. I went to Venice and did some scouting there, and then went to Utah, and I haven't even released those videos yet, but they're still in the works. And then I ended up going out to Yosemite National Park and working with Kara Kuklis, and I don't know if you've seen that video yet, but I'll put a link to it up here right now. That was a great time working in Ansel Adams' darkroom and platinum printing out there and just taking in the whole experience for 10 days. It was really something. And then coming back from that really quick and going to work on photo stock. And I haven't even talked about photo stock with you yet. Photo stock was a great success this year. I mean, I'm so glad that I did it the way that I did, by moving it into Cross Village and inviting the town in on it. And we had some great people there, some great presentations. Vicki Reed, Christopher Johnson, who was a real nice surprise. I mean, he kind of grew up coming into photo stock, and now got his MFA, and he's just starting to teach in Indiana, which is really something. And so he was part of the presentations. And then Matt Marash came up from Ohio. I'm sure that you know Matt from his channel. If you haven't, check it out. Matt came up with his friend Steve, and they did some RA4 process in the park. That was great. I did wet plate out in the park, which was really fun. And people brought their prints. There was some really good portfolios shown, and the townspeople participated. And we had the church had a breakfast for us, and I find out that they raised $1,400 for their cause, which was great. And it's great. I just love the people that come to photo stock. The Photo Stock Nation, as you can see. I'm wearing the hat here, which is now available as official merch for the channel. So if you look below, you can see a link on where to get the hats. It's kind of funny. I went out to Yosemite, and they had at the Ansel Adams Gallery, they gave us some really pretty cool swag, and one of them was this hat, and it was this made by Adams company, and it has this really nice leather strap on the back. I really liked it a lot, so I thought, those are the ones I want to order for photo stock. So I got back and I talked to my distributor, and sure enough, they were able to order them. And so Photo Stock Nation on the top. Get yours while supplies last. But yeah, it was a great time, and I'll throw some clips in there so you can see what was going on. I tried to do some sort of an organized video of it, but I was just so busy. It was crazy. But we had a really cool cookout down on the beach, and I don't know, it was just a really nice time. And since then, summers just seemed to have flown by. But I did want to say that I got a few things cooking here as always, and sliding in the sand. I do have a few things cooking here as always, and one of them, I'm sure that maybe you've seen the video so far, and if you haven't, I'll link it up here. I'll link the playlist, because I've started a whole playlist on the trailer. And I got it into my mind that I wanted to get one of these little teardrop trailers, and started researching them and found one that I really liked, and I ended up buying it yesterday, and tomorrow I pick it up. So look for a video on that coming up pretty soon. And getting the trailer is part and parcel of a larger project that I'll talk to you a little bit more later, but it involves travel, as you can tell, and it will involve the YouTube channel as well. But there's going to be more on that coming up later. I don't want to spoil that. And then I've also got a trip planned now. So going to Iceland on September 21st to the 29th, I have a trip set up, and we're going to be doing the north of Iceland this time, basing for part of the time in Akureyri and seeing the great waterfalls, Dettifoss and Godafoss. And then we're moving our way back into the west fjords of Iceland, and we'll be seeing Dynjandi, and we'll be going to Larcherberg Bird Cliffs, and it'll be kind of a trip away from the normal tourism that goes on there. So if you're interested in that trip, there'll also be a link below. Just go to my website, billschwab.com, and go to Workshops and Tours, and you'll see it listed there. Now again, it leaves in just 7 short weeks. So, and this trip is filling up really fast, by the way. So by the time you see this, it might already be full. And if that's the case, and you're seeing this in the future when the trip's already passed, always check out my links and check out my workshops and tours to see what's coming up. Yeah, and along those lines, I've got 2 workshops coming up as well. So I'm doing a wet plate collodion workshop. I'm sure that maybe you've seen some of the videos I've been doing lately with my mobile wet plate trailer, and if not, I'll link those up here as well. But that's been a really good time, and people seem to be really enjoying those videos, and I'm actually going to be doing another one here in a couple days. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a wet plate workshop 4 days long up here at the Photostock workshop in Cross Village. That'll be beginning August 31st and running till September 3rd, so check out that link as well. And then after Iceland, which is going to be happening the 21st to the 29th, I said, of September, we are also going to be doing a workshop up here in the platinum and the gum over platinum process, which you've seen my videos on as well. That'll be a really fun workshop. I'm really looking forward to that. Now that one's about half full already, but I've got space for 6 people. So if you're interested, again, check out the links. And stay tuned for more. I mean, there's always something going on around here. Like I said, I'm really excited about picking up this trailer tomorrow. So look for some videos to deal with that. Yeah, I'm going to be doing the whole thing. I'm going to be taking all the decals off of it. I've got some of my own designed for the YouTube channel, and some scan codes so that when I'm on the road, people can scan them and find the YouTube channel. And so yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, the sun's almost gone here. I'm just going to take it in here, and thank you for watching all this all along. The channel is really picking up now. I think we're somewhere around 4,800 subscribers, and I'm noticing a lot more views on the videos, so I really got to thank you a lot and really appreciate it. And I hope you'll tell a friend. I hope you'll continue giving me the thumbs up, because it really helps with the algorithm in YouTube. And yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and hit that bell, and it'll give you notifications of when I put new things out. So yeah, anyway, look for more coming up real soon. I'm going to watch the sunset here. Take care of yourselves, and bye-bye.